how you doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. As you can tell by the title, what do you see here? Yes, you guys, I am making it again, the viral onion chip. This time, I will be making it with cheddar cheese. Last time, it was mozzarella. I want to try with some cheddar cheese. So, let's get with it. Okay, you guys, we're going to cut this onion in thin slices. Thin as possible, right? Okay, we got that sliced up. Okay, we have a pan here with parchment paper. I shredded some cheddar cheese, so we're going to sprinkle a little, just a little on here. Now, when I made the one with the mozzarella cheese, it was delicious. I wanted to try because my favorite cheese is cheddar. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite cheese. We're going to lay the onions down. Ooh, these some big onions. I try to cut them thin. Sprinkle a little bit more, just a little. Some season, I'm gonna use my diamond dust. We're gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and we're gonna be right back. While that's cooking, we're gonna make us a dip. We need some dip with our what? Chip, our onion chip. Yes. Ooh, these avocados are nice, beautiful, nice and ripe. Okay, I'm gonna add some lime juice. Some diamond dust. Just a little. Ranch. It's about a teaspoon of diamond dust and a tablespoon of ranch. And we're gonna just mix it up. Yum. Let's check on the onion chips. Okay, you guys, here we go with cheddar cheese. Now, I'm going to tell you, I prefer the mozzarella. Cheddar cheese, when you heat it up, it get greasy. But here we are, baby, here we are. We got the onion chips. We're going to just cut a little green onion on it. I should have did this while I was cooking, but hey, we here now. Right? Just to make it pop. That green onion smells good. Then we have the guacamole, and let's cut it. Yeah, I would prefer to use the mozzarella. Now, I love cheddar. I love kind of roasted cheddar like it is around here, the little brown colors. I love roasted, a little burnt, a little charred cheddar. But like I said, this is a little, let's see if we can pick it up. Okay. There you go. This is entertaining. Y'all, let's cut it. Chips. Ooh, onion chips, I might say. Onion chips. Y'all hear the crunch? Yeah, baby. we're gonna dip. Our dip is a guacamole, baby. Okay. Here you go. Okay. I'm gonna put some guac on here. Mmm. 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 I love cooked cheddar. Now let's see if it have a crunch, y'all. Pay attention. Mmm. Mm. Yep. The cheddar does have a real good flavor, but like I said, I would stick with making this particular recipe with the onions, because y'all know when onions get to cooking, it gets soft. But when I did the it with the mozzarella, it had more of a stiffness to it. There you go. Mmm. 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 Y'all hear that crunch? I should have my microphone on. Mmm. Mm. That's good, y'all. Gonna make you some, y'all. Quick little healthy, keto-friendly dish, snack. Mmm. 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 Yum. Only thing I wish I had some jalapeno. I've been fine. Mmm. 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 Mmm.